I'm Jazzy.
And I'm Evy.
In today's video, we're showing you guys what we got for Christmas this year.
We are so grateful for the gifts we got this year.
Hope you guys enjoy! So now we're going to show you guys our presents. Abby, do you want to go first?
Of course. So what I got is a calendar chalkboard. And first, what I got is a whiteboard calendar. And it came with these cute whiteboard markers. They have black and white polka dots. And what I got is a rice cooker, and it comes with two of these things. This is a turkey and this is a broccoli. And then what I got is these jewelry bracelets. Here they are. They have star ones, they have some circle ones, and they have some big little balls. And I also got some hand sanitizer. I have lemon. And I also have blueberry. And I have strawberry. And I got these little furry scrunchies with pink, purple, and pink. And I have a VTech watch. You can take selfies, you can do videos about you, and you can also play games. I have these pearl hair ties. And what I also got is makeup, and I used it. And what I also got is Rudolph red-nosed reindeer. And I got a princess jewelry. And what I got is a sketchbook because I love drawing. And here it looks like it has flowers and some colorful stuff. This is a frozen sketchbook that I have, and you can also trace it, and also you can have some stickers. And then I have some books, and these books are, this is The Night Before Christmas. And then I have The Polar Express. Then The Broken Ornament. And I hope I read these because I really want to read The Broken Ornament. And I also got games. I have Pictionary. This is a game. I also have this game. And this is a ice cream kit. And it comes with the ice cream scooper. And it comes with 3 ice cream or 4 ice creams. And it has a bowl and it has a spoon to put your ice cream. And then I got these jewelry frozen. You can make them as necklaces and bracelets. And I have a car and also a camping car. And there's stuff inside. We have a suitcase bag, and we have a soap, and we have some plate. And we have a pot. I got a blender. And I have some strawberry, bananas, pineapples, and also carrots and orange. That's mango and mango. And that's kale and kale. And I also have milk. A menu. And also I have protein powder and a strawberry milkshake. And I also have a unicorn backpack. And the last thing we got is a tent. Come on, let's go inside. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year!